Ladies and gentlemen, today I just received from United States of America LG v60 5G Verizon Blue 128 gigabytes of storage. It was inside this plastic thing. I personally got no clue if this phone will work in Europe. I like the phone. It's very gorgeous color, as you can see here. I will put my European SIM card and I will try to boot it first. It starts. I heard some sort of vibration. It's quite nice. I like the headphone jack. That's why it has been ordered. Some scratches and marks here, but nothing major. For the money I paid, around 150 US dollars. It's quite okay. The phone has some marks, but it's really, I can say it's in mint condition. No scratches on into the display, no scratches over the back. Several cameras here, as you can see. So let's insert my card and I will tell if it works or not. Hello, Verizon. One of the options to get a cheap cell phone is to buy it from United States of America. That's the best option, I would say, especially if it's a model or it's a company which it's no longer in phone business like LG. That's the latest phone from LG, let's call it that way. Here we have 5G, LG, v60. So I will do my settings and I will report back to you. First, cool things first, this SIM tray is made with some metal parts and it's much more better compared to the junky Samsung. Why is the reason I needed a new phone or another phone? My stupid Samsung died and I really needed to have an upgrade. Not exactly an upgrade, but let's call it a better item. I'm currently struggling with this SIM tray tool. Because it's on the other side. Gotcha. I already inserted my SIM card. So the phone detected my SIM card and also detected my storage. Phone activation. Blah, blah, blah. I need to connect it to Wi-Fi now in order to activate it. I never have done this previously, so I really don't know if it will work or not. That's a Verizon phone from United States of America. So I'm just trying my luck here. Hopefully you enjoy the video. I don't want to have a Google account. Let's keep this for now. I don't want this. I don't want to set up a fingerprint currently. Skip anyway. The phone looks really nice, except from a few scratches here and there. I will remove this Verizon junk. Digital secure. I don't want this junk as well. I don't know what's this. My Verizon. Got it. Let's try to make a phone call. have tons of things. Let me call myself. Let me try to call myself at least. I'm dialing myself. It works. That's my other phone. So you can buy Verizon phone and use it, which is pretty cool. I like the result. Here, call ended. Okay, let's continue on my short review. Phone is already with glass screen protector from United States of America. It have also clear case, which protects camera and everything. Phone is really nice. I cannot complain. I have not used it much yet, but why I have chosen this phone? First, it's very cheap. That's the most important thing. It's around 100 bucks or 150, brand new, because LG no longer make phones. The specs are decent. Have micro SD card, have dual SIM slot card, have aux 3.5mm jack. Yeah, because I switched off the mobile data. Pictures, the phone makes decent pictures. As you can see, I have not yet even used this. Here we have some educational videos. Camera storage, change storage to SD card. Okay. I can really say that pictures are fine. I mean, much better than my very old phone. I don't know why people are complaining. I think phone is very decent in terms of pictures. It has several cameras, as you can see. Okay, let's go to the specs of the phone. It has everything I need. It's very cheap. It's one of the latest great phones from LG. What else? Again, it's a little bit big screen. It's PLED HDR10 screen, dust water protection. Big resolution, 395 pixel per pixel density. Here are the specs. Always on display. Android 10 upgradable to 12. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. Again, for 100 bucks US dollars, you should not complain about this. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, 3 cameras. As you can see, 64 megapixel, 13 and 0.3 TOF lens. Dual pixel adaptive technology, optical image stabilization, 8K video. Again, for 100 bucks, you should not complain about these specs. But the specs are very nice. 3.5mm jack, 4 dacs, Wi-Fi NAC6, Bluetooth, GPS, Galileo, NFC, everything you need. Fingerprint, big battery, Qualcomm fast charger. As you can see, 700 euros, brand new. So for 100 bucks, you should not be complaining about this phone. Whatever you may have, I guess it's much worse than this. It has also dual screen functionality if you buy the separate accessory. I don't need this. I will listen to music, make pictures, and I will enjoy the life. So I really like the phone. That's why I bought it. It will replace my junky Samsung unit, which I would not recommend anymore. Samsung as a brand. It have battery saver options. It have hi-fi quiet dock, which I will use. It have a lot of features. It's an amazing phone, and for the money, I don't see anything can beat it. Again, if you like my videos, keep watching, sharing, subscribing. And about this phone, I highly recommend it. For this money, You cannot buy anything else. 100 US dollars. You cannot buy better phone. And this one is brand new, obviously, almost. It was returned from a customer. So for $100, nothing I can complain about it. Again, if you like my videos, keep watching, sharing, subscribing. Until next time.